Chapter 7, Plant Adaptations. Plants have developed different features in order to survive in different places. The special features that allow an organism to live in a particular area are called adaptations. Types of plants. The natural surrounding of a plant is called its habitat. Depending on their habitats, plants have been placed in two groups. 1. Terrestrial plants. 2. Aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Plants that grow in plains. These trees have lots of branches and leaves. These trees can bear the heat but shed their leaves during winter. Such trees are called deciduous trees. Examples include mango, banyan, and shisham. Some trees grow in hot and damp areas with a lot of rainfall. These trees do not shed their leaves in winter, they remain evergreen. Teak, sugarcane, tamarind, pepper, and coconut are some of the trees that grow in such places. Plants that grow in hilly areas. These plants are generally straight and grow tall. These trees have needle-like leaves which allow rainwater and snow to slide off easily. Instead of flowers, these trees bear cones. Hence, these plants are also known as conifers. Example, pine, cedar, spruce, and fir. Plants that grow in deserts. 1. A desert is an area where very little water is found. Hence, very few plants grow in the desert. 2. Most plants grow without leaves. They have spines instead of leaves. Spines prevent loss of water. 3. In plants like cactus, photosynthesis is carried out by the fleshy green stem, which also stores food and water. These plants also have long roots that grow deep into the ground. They help in absorbing groundwater. Plants that grow in marshy areas. Marshy areas are usually found near seashores, where rivers empty into the sea. These areas have clayey, sticky soil that is soaked in water. The plants that grow in marshes are called mangroves. The roots of the trees that grow here do not get air from the soil, so they grow out of the soil and water to breathe. These roots are called breathing roots. Aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are of three types: floating, fixed, and underwater. Floating plants that float on water are called floating plant. They have spongy bodies that are filled with air, which makes them light and helps them to float. Examples are duckweed and water, hyacinth and water lettuce. Fixed plants. These plants are fixed to the water bed with the help of strong roots. Their stem is light and hollow. The broad leaves float on the water. Unlike terrestrial plants, they have stomata on the upper surface of their leaves. This prevents water from blocking the pores. Lotus and water lily are examples of fixed plants. Underwater plants. Underwater plants are completely submerged in water. Plants like pondweed and tape grass grow underwater. Their roots are fixed to the bottom of water bodies like ponds. They have narrow ribbon like leaves which do not have any stomata. They breathe through their stems. Underwater plants support animal life to a great extent because they give out oxygen during photosynthesis, which keeps the aquatic animals alive. Insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants are usually green, so they can make their own food. However, the soil in which they grow is poor in some minerals. Hence, these plants feed on insects to get enough nutrition. Pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, and sundew plant are a few of the insectivorous plants. The Venus flytrap has two lobes with hair-like spikes on their edges. These lobes snap shut when an insect sits on it. The pitcher plant is shaped like a pitcher. Its edges secrete a slippery substance due to which the insects sitting on it slip and fall inside the pitcher, thus getting trapped.